I got it straight. I got it right. I got it right. I got it right. I got it right. I'm heading home. I'm heading home. I am heading home. I am heading home. First time in my life that I did not get lost. I did not get lost. Woohoo! Today is my type of day because today is car vlogging day. Yeah, we're gonna do some car vlogging. We're gonna do some shopping. We're gonna go do some shopping. Whew. So today's gonna be a great day. So the thing is, what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna show you a bunch of stuff that I'm doing. What I'm doing now is I'm building up a sofa. I'm building my own couch from scratch. But it had to be a size, a specific size. And it wasn't working in my living room because this house is just a tiny bit smaller than the ones that I've been used to. Yeah, it's a smaller house, but I think it's a lot better because it's easier to clean. So much easier to clean. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Now, you're wondering if I'm going to get lost today. I'm not going to get lost today because, remember yesterday? I got my GPS in my brain. I got my GPS in my brain. Just have to do this and go straight. Keeping my eyeballs on the road and getting to where I want to be. Anyways. So today we're doing some shopping. We're doing grocery shopping. We are doing some shopping for decor a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to be able to record in the store that I like to go because they don't like it that much. Yeah, they don't like it, but let's try. Anyway, so this is where yesterday I came walking on foot. I got lost because I didn't find my thrift store. But now I know where I'm heading to. I know where I'm heading to, and I'm heading to the supermarket. The supermarket is right over here. So first we're going to the supermarket, and I'm going to do my groceries there and pick up just a little bit of stuff. There's a store that I want to go here. This was the mall that I was yesterday strolling and walking around. So, yeah. The lady over there is staring at me because maybe she thinks I'm crazy. Talking to myself. Talking to myself. I don't care. I don't care. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to park the car. I'm going to go do my groceries. And if I can, I'll film you inside the store. If not, Okay, so the groceries was okay. Everything went fine. The thing is, now I can't mess this up. Now I'm going to go to this other store to get the decor stuff, to get doggy treats and all that jazz, but I am not messing this up whatsoever. So let's go because I'm going to try. So this was easy, the supermarket. Now, the thing is, I have to get to this, it's like a Dollar Tree store, you know what I mean? That lady helped me because I wasn't able to get the coins out of the cart. I don't know if you know that. You put $1 in for you to be able to get your money back. Okay, so let me see something here. Yeah, I guess so, huh? Yeah, I'm going to go this way. I'm going to get out here. Okay. I'm not going to mess this up. No way, Jose, I'm messing this up today. I'm getting everything exactly what I want. The right way. I'm getting this the right way. So I'll show you when I get there. should be around here. It should be around here. It's not. Let's see, it has to be around here because I found a supermarket. Now I have to find the other store, or else I'm heading back to the same place where I was before. I can't get this wrong. Oh my gosh. I feel so stupid. I feel silly. I feel silly, silly, silly if I can't get this right. Yeah, I'm lost again. Okay. I'm lost again. I'm going to turn around because I'm lost. I'm going to turn around here. I feel silly, 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 silly. And I'm going to check my GPS. Okay, now we're heading home because that's the worst part, is to head home. But I'm going to get this straightened out. I'm going to turn around here, and that is it. So hopefully, yeah, I won't mess it up this time. I'm not going to mess it up. I did everything I needed to do. Now I'm heading home. I'm going to show you what I'm doing because, yeah, I got my dog treats. I got some cute brushes, some eyeshadow brushes. And they are pretty cute. They have this gold handle. $4 for 3 brushes. I thought that was a great bargain. So I'm going to try the easy way. I'm going to go through here because I'm going to go through the easy way out. Hopefully I will go home because I don't want to mess this up. Okay. I'm going to get this right because, okay, this is where I have to. I think I can go straight now. Yeah, I think I have to go straight. Hopefully I will get to my house. Oh my gosh, okay. Or I can go straight and then I'm going to turn left. No, I'm first going to go straight and then I'm going to turn left because I don't know if I can turn left here. I might as well not even try it. Yeah, I'm at it. Okay, I can go. Yeah, I can go. I can do it. She did it. I can do it too. Right? Right. Yeah. She did it. I could do it. So hopefully this is... Yeah. I guess I'm on the right road to home. Hope so. Yeah. Yeah. I got it straight. I got it. I got it right. I got it right. I got it right. I got it right. I'm heading home. I'm heading home. I am heading home. I am heading home. First time in my life that I did not get lost. I did not get lost. Woohoo! You're going to think I'm crazy, but this is amazing. Oh, wow. It's unbelievable. The worst thing of all the stuff that I do when I go out driving is to get lost. Today is a good day. I did not get lost. Woo-hoo. Left my house. I'm going back home. Safe and sound. And got to do a roundabout here. And that's it. Oh boy, this is so cool. This is so good. This is great. I'm home. Believe me or not, I am home. Home, home, home. Yes, I'm home. I am home. Yep. I'm home. I made it. I made it. I made it. I'm a happy woman. I made it, baby. I made it. And now I'm going to park at home. My husband's going to be surprised. Today's that he's going to be a surprised. I made it. Woohoo!